Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today we're going to be going over how to create a side-by-side bar chart within Tableau. So first thing I always want to do is I want to rename my sheet to give me some type of indication of what the purpose is for my visualization. So I'm just labeling this side-by-side bar chart because that's what I'm showing you, and that's the purpose of this chart. Okay, now that that is renamed, so let's scroll up here, actually. Okay, so right now I see this is a side-by-side bar chart within the Show Me category. So let's scroll down. We will need a measure as well as 2 dimensions. We can have Tableau choose for me, but just to show you guys how to create it, I am going to select these. Let's do for our measure probably profit. Okay. And then for our categories, let's go ahead. I'm going to choose, or for our dimensions, I'm going to choose category. And then for our second one, I am going to select a regional manager here. All right. So now if we get rid of the Show Me, we can see our side-by-side bar chart here. Now, this is just a super simple example with the data that we have. That is the Superstore data that was within Tableau when we had gotten it from Tableau Public's downloads. Now, you can see it is broken down by furniture is going to be the bigger category that we will be using. And then within those, it is going to be broken down by regional manager. So you can see within furniture, everyone's in the positive except for Roxanne. Now, as we continue on, Roxanne is down not so great for office supplies, but she's in the positive. And then for technology, she's doing great. But this is a really great way to visualize based upon multiple dimensions, so that way you can see what you need to see with your data. If we wanted to change up some of the, let's say, colors, we could. Now this is just changing up the colors of all of the different things. Now let's say we wanted to be a little fancy and change up the colors based upon regional manager. Let's grab regional manager. Okay, and I'm going to drag it over here to color. And now each person is going to be given a various color or their own color for these. Again, it just makes it a little easier for it to be read and seen for the end person who's going to be looking at the visualization. So I am also going to show my marks as labels because I find it very, very helpful to also have the numbers. It does look a little crowded here, but I still think it's a good idea to have those unless it's like you need it to be not so crowded, but that's just my opinion. Now, if we wanted to shrink the size, we could do that. It will shrink the size of the bars. That's another way to make it not so busy. Under color, we can change the opacity, so you could do that. Again, makes it a little less busy. We could add borders and be super duper fancy with this visualization, but that's getting beyond the scope of this video. I hope that you found this video helpful or informative. If you did, be sure to give it a like. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section, and I will do my best to get back to you. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at Emily Call MBA. I am a LinkedIn learning instructor, and we will be releasing a Tableau course over there soon, as well as we have, I think right now, 7 Salesforce courses. So if you would like to check those out, they're over on LinkedIn Learning. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.